Welcome to NT Coins World, your ultimate destination for everything about rare and collectible coins. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most intriguing coins in US history, the 1982-D Washington quarter dollar coin. We'll uncover its rich historical context, break down its beautiful design, analyze its mintage and market value, discuss notable errors, and explore why this coin is a must-have for collectors. So, if you're a coin enthusiast or just curious about the value hidden in your pocket change, stick around as we dive into the details of this remarkable coin. 1982-D Washington quarter dollar coin. Historical context. The Washington quarter was first introduced in 1932 to commemorate the 200th anniversary of George Washington's birth. Designed by John Flanagan, it replaced the standing Liberty quarter and became an enduring symbol of American heritage. By the early 1980s, the coin had already been a cornerstone of US currency for 50 years. However, the year 1982 marked a significant turning point for US coinage. Due to economic challenges and a lack of demand, the United States Mint decided to suspend the production of proof and uncirculated sets in 1982 and 1983. This decision led to a scarcity of high-quality examples of these coins, including the 1982-D Washington quarter. For collectors, this absence of mint sets made the 1982-D coin particularly desirable. Additionally, the coin reflects the broader economic and cultural landscape of the early 1980s. The US was recovering from a recession, and inflation was a major concern. Coins like the 1982-D quarter were essential for everyday transactions, making them a tangible piece of American history from this challenging era. Design features. The 1982 Washington quarter continues the iconic design first introduced in 1932. The obverse features a right-facing profile of George Washington, symbolizing his enduring legacy as the nation's first president. The details of the design include obverse, George Washington's bust with liberty inscribed above, the motto "In God We Trust" positioned to the left, the year 1982 placed below Washington's bust. Verse, an eagle with outstretched wings perched on a bundle of arrows, symbolizing strength and preparedness. Below the eagle, two olive branches signify peace. The inscriptions "United States of America" and "E Pluribus Unum" appear above the eagle, with quarter dollar at the bottom. Despite its simplicity, this design is timeless and has remained a favorite among collectors. The Denver Mint Mark D is prominently displayed on the obverse beneath the ribbon of Washington's ponytail. Mintage. The 1982 D Washington quarter was struck at the Denver Mint, one of the primary facilities responsible for producing US coins. The total mintage for this coin was approximately 480042000, a relatively high number compared to other years. However, the absence of proof and uncirculated sets in 1982 makes it challenging to find specimens in pristine condition. Collectors often seek out coins with minimal wear and well-preserved details, which can command a premium price. High-grade examples, graded by professional services like PCGS or NGC, are especially valuable due to their rarity. Market value. The value of the 1982-D Washington quarter varies widely depending on its condition. Circulated examples typically hold little premium over face value, given their high mintage. However, uncirculated and high-grade specimens can be worth significantly more. Circulating condition, 25 cents to $1. Uncirculated condition, $10 to $30. MS65 or higher, $50 to $150, depending on the specific grade and market demand. Special attention is given to coins with vibrant luster, strong strikes, and minimal contact marks, which are highly sought after by collectors. Notable eras. One of the most exciting aspects of coin collecting is discovering error coins, and the 1982-D Washington quarter is no exception. Several eras and varieties associated with this coin can significantly increase its value. Double die errors. These occur when a coin is struck twice by the die, resulting in noticeable doubling of design elements. On the 1982-D quarter, doubling may be seen on inscriptions like learning, literacy, love, and money. Each square has been doubled and subsequently redoubled. Off-center strikes. Coins that were struck off-center can exhibit missing portions of the design, making them highly collectible. Clipped planches. These errors occur when a coin blank is improperly cut, resulting in a crescent-shaped clip along the edge of the coin. Die cracks and cuds. Small cracks in the die can leave raised lines on the coin's surface, while cuds are caused by die breaks that create missing portions of the design. These errors add an extra layer of intrigue to the 1982-D quarter and can command premiums ranging from $50 to several $100s, depending on the severity and rarity of the error. Collector interest. The 1982 DW Washington quarter holds a special place in the hearts of collectors for several reasons. 1. Historical significance. As part of the Washington Quarter series, this coin represents an era when U.S. coinage was transitioning from traditional designs to modern commemorative issues. 2. Scarcity in high grades. The lack of mint sets from 1982 means that high-grade examples are hard to come by, making them particularly desirable. 3. Error coins. The potential for discovering rare errors adds excitement and value for collectors. 4. Affordability. While rare in high grades, circulated examples are readily available, making the 1982-D quarter an accessible entry point for new collectors. Whether you're a seasoned numismatist or a beginner, the 1982-D Washington quarter offers a fascinating glimpse into American history and coinage. Its combination of historical significance, timeless design, and potential for valuable errors ensures its place as a must-have for any collection. And there you have it. The story of the 1982-D Washington quarter dollar coin. From its rich history to its unique design and collector appeal, this coin is truly a treasure worth exploring. If you enjoyed this deep dive, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode of NT Coins World. Share your thoughts or let us know if you've found any interesting error coins in the comments below. Until next time, happy collecting!